Okay, it's not an apple-to-apple comparison, but hear me out. If you're willing to give up the wireless convenience of Bluetooth earbuds, like the AirPods Pro here and there, these wired earbuds sound much better and cost less than $50. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out these wired earbuds or IEMs in-ear monitors from KZ. I'll compare them loosely to my AirPods Pro and share why I have both. I'm far from an audiophile, but I really enjoy good music, so I'm sharing my experiences as a casual music lover. The model I have here is the ZS10 Pro. They cost only $50 or even less these days. For me, who have been using mostly Bluetooth earbuds like the AirPods Pro the last many years, it's an affordable entry point to get much better sound when I don't need the wireless convenience from time to time. The ZS10 Pro comes in a small, simple white box. Inside the box, there are the earbuds, some extra ear tips, cables. These IEMs usually come with detachable ones, and a manual. Let's look at the earbuds first. They come in various colors. Black, referring to the body of the earbuds. The outside faceplate is stainless steel. Blue, purple, dark black with a blackout faceplate, glare blue, and glare yellow. The ones I have here are the glare blue version, so the body is in a translucent blue color, and the silver color faceplate has matching blue edges. The top of the faceplate also has matching blue colors in the grooves. Looks great. The silicone tips can be removed and swapped. KZ includes 3 more pairs of silicone tips in various sizes in the package, but these medium ones already on the earbuds fit my ear as well. Here's how the earbuds compare to the AirPods Pro. They're about the same size, weight about the same too. ZS10 Pro faceplates are shinier and more angular. Like most IEMs, the cables are detachable and can be upgraded or replaced when damaged. The included cable is about 4 feet long. It has a right angle 3.5mm TRS jack on one end. On the other end, there are two 2-pin gold-plated connectors for the earbuds. There's a harder plastic sleeve at the end to hook the wire behind the ear to hold the earbuds in place. There's an option to have a cable with mic and music control for just $1 more, but the one I have here is without the mic. The cable comes detached. There are left and right markers on the cable, but not on the earbuds. It took me some time to figure out which earbuds goes with which end. I'll post a good picture I found on KZ's website here for reference. With the wires looped behind my ears, the ZS10 Pros are very comfortable for me to wear. I feel they go into my ears just a bit deeper than the AirPods Pro, but I can have them on for a couple hours without any problem, similar to the AirPods Pro. Even though they don't have active noise cancellation, the in-ear tips do a good job isolating noise for me. Almost as good as AirPods Pros on low and mid-frequency noises like kids playing around in the background. Of course, it doesn't have a pass-through transparency mode like the AirPods Pro either, so I have to take them off to have a conversation with the kids. So, how do they sound compared to the AirPods Pro? If I have to describe it in a word, I say they sound livelier. The ZS10 Pro sound more crisp and clear. There's better separation. I could tell the instruments apart easier. Bass is quite good, mids are adequate, and treble or highs jump out at me quite a bit. These IEMs are tuned to more of a V shape rather than a flat profile like traditional in-ear monitors. It's a fun set of earbuds to listen to. The sound difference between the ZS10s and the AirPods Pro is quite obvious to me as soon as I put them on. Everyone's sound preference is different, so these may or may not be what you're looking for, of course. I've been using various over-the-air wired headphones, such as this Sennheiser for video editing and music. But they're not the most comfortable since they pressed on the side of my glasses. They also get too warm for me after a while. IEMs like these are light and comfortable to wear, have good sound quality compared to Bluetooth earbuds costing 3 or 4 times more like the AirPods Pro. Now they're even higher quality and custom molded IEMs even for professional musicians costing thousands of dollars. But for less than $50, these are more fun to listen to than my AirPods Pros when I don't need the wireless convenience, like working on a computer or enjoying some music with a cup of tea on my sofa. If you've gotten this far and any part of this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. By the way, I didn't get these earbuds to do a video review. I got them initially to edit videos and practice guitar with this little Fender Mustang micro amp. Yeah, my wife and kids don't need to hear my guitar noodling in the middle of the night. I started listening to music with them too, and I was so impressed that I had to share my discovery with you. There are usually discounts to make them even cheaper than $50 in the link I'll put in the description below. If you have been using mostly Bluetooth earbuds like me and want to get better sound without latency from time to time for music or games, these are definitely worth a try. Oh, and there are even these Bluetooth ear hooks to turn them into Bluetooth earbuds for convenience. I'll check them out next. Subscribe to the channel and come back to see my experience with them. And if $50 can give me such improvement in sound quality, I wonder how much better more expensive ones would sound. Great, looks like another exciting rabbit hole for me to jump into. I have a hunch I may be sharing a few more pairs with you in future videos. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do you know another good pair of IEMs I should try? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.